Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hi, friends! Would you like to name the days of the week with me? Fantastic! I can't wait to name them with you too. But before we get started, why is knowing the days of the week important? When you learn the days of the week, you develop a concept of time in order to follow a routine. This can help establish control over daily and weekly activities. It is a vital part of everyday speaking, such as when booking an appointment, making a reservation, or knowing what days to attend school. Learning the days of the week is a huge part of understanding how the world works. Now, let's get started. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're done for now. My awesome friends, there are 7 days in a week. Thank you for naming them with me. Wonderful job, friends. I really enjoyed saying the days of the week with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until next time, keep being great.